Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my glossy boxes, and Glossybox for October did 2 different boxes and they always do the best boxes. So let's get in here and see what's inside because that's more important. What is inside these boxes is in theory the same. We will open them and make sure that's true, but in theory what is inside is the same. They just did 2 really pretty boxes. So there is a darker one called Midnight Fantasy and the lighter one is called Enchanted Spirit. They are so pretty. When we open them up, and I will just do that with each of them so you can see, it is the same box, just different boxes. And it was just random because each box on the inside is the same. So if you get Glossybox, let me know below which box did you get. I'm thinking about putting this one back there for the rest of the Halloween season. I mean, they both kind of match my room, so I'm kind of excited about that. These boxes were gifted to me for my review and you will get my complete and honest review. If you have any interest in Glossybox, it's $21 per month, and if you buy it in longer sections like 3 months, 6 months, the price goes down. But when you sign up, if you use my link below, your first box will be $16. All right, let's see what October brought. So we're just gonna go ahead and open the light purple one first. They come with these pretty ribbons. And look how pretty, even the paperwork looks so enchanting. Oh, it's called Enchanted, right? Yes, Enchanted Spirit. It looks so enchanting for October. And when we open the tissue paper, this is what we have on the inside. Okay, let me quickly open the darker purple one and be sure we have the exact same thing. And yes, they are the exact same thing in both boxes. All right, looking at our pamphlet, it will tell us on the inside what is in the box and a little bit about everything. So let's just see what's in here. The first product I have is Ona New York Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. And that is what that looks like. That is a big, it's kind of heavy. I like that. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. This is a full-size product and is from Ona New York. Formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia, this refining hydrogel mask will even out complexion, rid it of impurities, and restore a youthful glow. Its comfortable fit and non-slip quality make it perfect for anyone on the move. That is fantastic. I love it when they don't slip. This has a $9 value. Reaching in next, we have the Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule. And it is 1 fluid ounce, and that is what it looks like. Let's take it out. Oh, it's green and pretty. That is so pretty. Let's see what it says. This is also full-sized, full of sea greens, cannabis sativa hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminance. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. Apply 2 drops or more to your skin after cleansing and toning both morning and night. And it has a $32 value. So this alone way more than covers the cost of the box. All right, well, let's see what this feels like and smells like. I'll put just a drop on the back of my hand and 1 on the bottle. Cleaned it up. And it's just, there's no green to it. Oh, it feels really nice. Put that little drop on the back of this hand. It just kind of has a bright smell to it. It doesn't smell really green. Like I thought it was going to be really herbaceous since it's green, but it's just got a really nice light scent. I like that a lot. We'll see how it absorbs on the back of my hands. Reaching in next, we have a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. And that is what that looks like. And this is 1.69 fluid ounces. Just my room quite nicely. Also looks very good in the box. Got a theme going on. This says that it is a deluxe mini. It is really heavy. I mean, you're gonna get a lot of masks out of that. Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask packed with superfruit, Davidson plum, desert lime, bilberry, and aloe vera. This gentle version of skin exfoliating alpha hydroxy acid rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin and enjoy the slight tingling sensation. Rinse off with water after 10 minutes. It says this deluxe sample is worth $14.44. If it were full-sized, it would be $21.50. So it is, it's like 3/4 of it. That's fantastic. I'm not gonna sample this, you guys know. Yes, it has a seal on it, good. I'm not gonna sample this then because you guys know I can't use alpha hydroxy acids on my super sensitive skin, but I can pass this along because that's a great size. Okay, reaching in next, I have a lippy, and it is a Kat Von D, or KVD, I should say KVD. I have to get used to that lippy. And it looks like it's going to be a deluxe sample. It is in Lovecraft. Let's see what the color is. Oh, it's gorgeous. This is going to be perfect for me. It's kind of a rosy mauvey color. I don't want to put it on that oil because I want that oil to have a chance to absorb. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. It's kind of a nudie but pink. This is going to be so perfect for me. That is so pretty, and it's creamy and nice. There's not a lot of shine. It's kind of a matte color. Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick, Lovecraft. So everybody got this same color. This vegan and cruelty-free lipstick will make you feel bold and stunning, just like its studded packaging. Its creamy, cushiony, and highly pigmented formula will give your lips the treatment they deserve. This is a deluxe mini, 1.2 grams, worth $14. If it was the full size, it would be 3.4 grams and $20. Well, that is very pretty, and I'm kind of happy to have two, one in each box, because how perfect is that to toss in your purse or your backpack? I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a minute to take that off, since, you know, with it on the inside of my wrist, it's gonna go amok. And we're reaching in for our last product, and we have a Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And that is what that looks like. I think I have this, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it now because I will just pass this one along to my daughter. I suspect she will love it because I like it. That is what it looks like. They do such pretty packaging. When you open the inside, it also, I hope that comes across, you can see the little bow in it. That's so cute. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a skosh, over that oil. Well, we'll see what that oil's made of. On the back of my hand, it feels like nothing. I can't, but for watching it disappear, I can't feel it at all on the back of my hand, and it just went right in and gave my hand a nice matte look. Yeah, I like this one. I have it open downstairs and I like it a lot. So I will set this one aside for my daughter, but let me tell you what this says. This is a deluxe mini, and it is a loose translucent setting powder. Finish off your makeup masterpiece with this finely milled setting powder. Ultra blendable and lightweight. Buff effortlessly into your skin without any cakiness or creases for long lasting wear. It does look nice and set on the back of my hand because I had put that oil there. Let's see what the difference is. Can you guys see the difference between my two hands? This is where I put oil on the back of this one too. So they both had oil on the back of them, and then I put the powder over that one. Can you see the shininess difference? I hope that comes across. The deluxe mini is 7 grams, worth $18.98. So although it's only a deluxe mini, it's still worth $18.98. And the full size would be 15 grams and have a $22 value. So that is the Glossybox for October 2020. And they both had the exact same thing in them, but you could get one of either of these boxes. And I think that's kind of a cool idea. But more importantly, in the box, we received the Ciate London Translucent Powder, the Earth Harbor Aurora. They say Superfood Luminance Ampule, but I would just say it's a serum. The KVD, I am never gonna get right. The KVD Little Lippy, that was a gorgeous color. The Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Clay Mask, and the Ona Spotlight Face Mask. So I did the math, and all but rounding a couple of pennies, it has a value of $88.40. So that more than covers 2 or 3 times what you pay for it. Plus, you've got some really good stuff in here. All right, let me know below what you think. Let me know what your favorite product was. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you enjoyed seeing these boxes. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to be here. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and hit your notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.